Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com, and this is right hand side you can see this is search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard B760M space power space DDR4 and then hit enter. Then click on product. And then click on name of title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you require Windows 10, 11. So both installations process same. Then you can see this is first audio driver. This is audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading here. You can see I already downloaded. You can see this is 165. Just after downloaded, open it and double click to open. And then click to yes. After that, start downloading. So it is closed automatically. This is installed. Then chipset. You can see this is first Intel serial driver and click to download. And when it is completed, then open it. Then double click to launch. And then click on yes. Okay, after that close it. Then scroll down Intel NF installer and click to download. And then scroll down LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, click to download. It will start downloading. After that completed, then just open it. Open and double click to launch. Then click on yes. After that installing the LAN driver, so wait for a second, it will close automatically, means it is installed. So it is done, and then close it. VJ driver. So Intel, this is this, and click to, this is download icon. You just click to download, it will start downloading. So I already downloaded. You can see this size. Just open it, this graphic driver, and double click. So you have to just double click and then launch, then click to yes, and then after that next to install it. Okay, so it will take some time and it will close automatically, means this is installed. And after that you have to restart your system, because after driver required reinstallation, so your latest driver is overwrite to your old driver, and if not, we install it.